So you join us on the side of the road just outside Glossop. The old man's joined us again today. So plan for today, we're going to go have a look at Black Clough Waterfall, hopefully find a couple of plane crash sites, and then head over to the Bleaklow stones. Yeah, so let's go have a look. It's only times my dad can fall over on another walk. So the route we're doing today, it's just over 11k altogether. I found the route from the OS maps, so I'll leave all the information for the route in the description. Dad's just spotted this little random tunnel. So we're just currently walking up to the waterfall. I don't know if you can see, the road is literally just there. So if you do just want to come have a look at the Black Clough Waterfall, it doesn't look like it's that much of a walk from the actual road, and the paths themselves so far seem pretty good. So as I was saying back there, how the path wasn't that strenuous, this bit's got a bit slippy, hilly and rocky. So we actually kind of missed the spot where we had to jump over the river. So we improvised a little bit. And we didn't get wet. So now we're looking for a waterfall over here somewhere. Oh. That is slippery. That one now? Yeah. Really? Yeah. So you can just see the waterfall now, just there. So welcome to Black Clough Waterfall. So that was Black Clough Waterfall. So the plan is now we've got to go back on ourselves a little bit down here, and then we're heading up there. So we're just planning how we can get across this without getting drenched. I'd say this was actually the proper route, but I'm guessing with all the rain we've had, it's a bit... It's disappeared. Yeah, it's disappeared, so yeah. We're going to try down there. So we both backed it back over and we didn't get wet. So we're currently looking now for a side path that goes up there and hopefully to some plane crash sites. Yeah, so that's the way back to the car. That's the way we gotta go. Yeah, and you can see where we started. That's the car right there. Now we've got to follow this path here. Goes alongside of the woods. Just like a little shelter. It's a little shelter. Bloody perfect. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know what that means. Food time. Yeah, so what I was just eating was just trying to work out actually what are these things. because they've got them, I don't know if you can pick up the camera, about every 50 foot going all the way down. So yeah, if anybody has any idea what they are, please let us know in the comments. So the cloud's starting to roll in now. Can't see very much of absolutely anything. Apart from him falling over. Timing is unbelievable. Okay, I've just done it now. Oh. No, the deep one. Yeah, that's a deep one. Yeah, so the cloud cover is definitely coming in now. But you can't see anything now. So joking aside about the weather, so the fog can come in quite quickly and the mist can come in quite quickly over here. So always make sure you have maps. Obviously I use the OS maps on my phone, but I download them so I can use them without any phone signal because there's literally no signal around here at all. And I've also got an extra battery pack with me just to be on the safe side. Yeah, just be careful if you're out walking across the moorland because it'd be very easy to get lost in this. So here's some famous last words. This path is actually quite nice, it's not too bad at all. But no luck, you probably will get worse. Just as I stop recording this.
Is it showing me on the path?
Yeah, so now the path seems to have vanished. And we've got to cross over this little stream thing and then head up there. Yeah, that way I'm guessing. See? So I've just been looking at the map about what's this place called where we are now, and it's, yeah, black moss apparently. Never have guessed. Yeah, straight. My dad was just saying, literally apart from us, it's so silent up here. Literally, it's not a sound. Quite eerie. Why is there just this one sole Christmas tree literally in the middle of nowhere? There's not another one around. So this is the crash site of a Blackburn Botha. I'll put a picture up now so you know what the plane originally looked like from 1941. So this is the crash site of a Blackburn Botha Mark I, serial number W5103. It crashed here in the Moorland on the 10th of December 1941. It is thought the pilot was attempting to fly above the cloud which covered the hills. He appears to have descended thinking that he cleared the hills. Unfortunately, the aircraft struck the moorland, killing the pilot, Thomas William Rogers, on impact. Crazy, yeah. So this was the first crash site I was looking for. So now we're going to head to another crash site. The plan is a half mile away. So yeah, see if we can find that one. Okay, it's getting very squidgy and boggy now. The fun of looking for plane crash sites, they're always out literally in the middle of nowhere, with no paths or nothing around you. And yeah, because this light mist is starting to get dark. Ah, fun. Yeah, as I was saying, it's just a shame because obviously it's like low cloud cover, because the views around here can imagine be absolutely beautiful on a nice day. On a nice day. Okay, it's wet moorlands, it's pretty tough going. So it's 3:15. We've been walking across this stuff now for a couple of hours. Yeah, still looking for this second plane crash site, but yeah, nice and boggy. Also, just saying, just feels like that we're in like a alien landscape. Like it could be anywhere. Just found a random action cam right here. Mad. Still going. So me and my dad's just been talking. So obviously with this low cloud cover and the failing light, we decided we're going to pack in trying to find the second crash site and just head towards that path so we don't get lost over here. Try and navigate here in the dark because it's just asking to snap an ankle. So, yeah, so we're looking for a path in that general direction. So hope you can still see me okay. It's starting to go a bit dark now. So yeah, so we're now back on the original nice path which we started on earlier in the day before we went off to look for the plane crash. Yeah, so stroll back down this, just take us back to by the waterfall, back to the car. So still can't see absolutely nothing. literally absolutely nothing. So definitely looks like it's going to be dark before we get back. Got to get the torches with us. I'm going to say if you do decide to have a look at doing this route, I would definitely suggest a nice long summer's day, because what it says on the OS maps, the timing for it, and trying to find the plane crash is going through the bog and everything, I'd say it's a bit optimistic. So I'd give yourself a good nice long summer's day, a full day to do this. Really good fun though. So yeah, So just have to get the torch out now. It is pretty much black now, yeah. This is where any adventure turns to actual proper fun. No, we're not playing lightsabers with our torches, honest. Yeah. So, hiking at night, it's really good fun for us, but it doesn't really give the best quality video for you guys watching, so I do apologise. I'll try and film bits and anything interesting to do so with torches, but yeah, it's not much to see for you guys. So we've just reached back by the trees where it was earlier, so you probably can just start to hear the Black Clough Waterfall underneath us again now. But yeah, it is pitch black up here, but it's so peaceful, literally. Apart from we could just start hearing the road again now. But yeah, lovely walk. So we've just made it back onto the bottom path where we started. We was walking up to Black Clough this morning. Yeah, so it's only about 10 or 15 minute walk now back to the car. But you can make out the water now. How you doing, everybody? So we're almost back at the car now, so I thought I'd just record this before we got back. Just want to say thank you for watching, everybody. It's been a fun little random video.
Certainly has.
As I say, one thing, just like we did, if you're out in the moorland and stuff like that and it starts getting dark, don't take the risk, just turn back. You can always go back and find what else you're looking for, like the other plane crash for us. Yeah, so thank you for watching, everybody. If you could do us a favour, if you could like and subscribe, it helps out the channel. I'll see you on the next one.